Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. Here's why it can quietly build a fortune. Start with $10,000 at 7%. Simple interest pays only on the original principal, so growth is a straight line, about $31,000 after 30 years. Compound interest reinvests every gain. The same money becomes roughly $76,000. Watch the curves diverge. The longer you wait, the wider the gap. Time matters more than how much you add later. Meet two savers. Alex invests $300 a month from 25 to 35, then stops. Bailey starts at 35 and keeps going for 30 years. Bailey puts in far more cash, yet Alex often ends ahead because those early dollars had decades to compound. Starting early beats playing catch-up. The rule of 72 gives a quick shortcut. Divide 72 by your annual return to estimate how many years until your money doubles. At 6%, about 12 years. At 8%, 9 years. At 12%, only 6. A handy mental math tool for any rate. Remember, compound growth accelerates with time. Starting early outperforms bigger contributions later, and the rule of 72 helps you see the pace. Let time do the heavy lifting.